It is the warmest season of the year in one of the most beautiful regions in Tunisia. This farmer is earning a living under a 40°C heat. The 2017-2018 harvest in Beja in the northwest of Tunisia started in June. The area planted is estimated at 139,000 hectares, including 115,000 hectares of wheat and 21,000 hectares of barley. Tawfiq owns 7 hectares that he plants and harvests manually to feed his family.
It's an exhausting physical job, but one can earn a decent living. Every day I wake up at 3 a.m. I work for 13 hours. The land gives back if we are lucky enough.
Dozens of families have deserted this area where life has always been difficult. Many kids work in the summer season to buy books and help their families. In September, they will have to walk several kilometers and defy nature to reach school. In the meantime, boys and girls observe their parents who are harvesting like their ancestors. The delay in seed supply and the delay in preparations for the agricultural season have led to a reduction in production.
We assume no responsibility for mixing the seed varieties. We blame the companies responsible for seed supply and the controllers who could not detect this mix since last March. These companies have marketed substandard seeds.
Thousands of farmers are complaining about the difficulties recorded during this season, in particular the rainfall deficit recorded in 4 delegations in the south of the governorate of Beja. Even the largest land owners are facing challenges this year. The volume of grain production collected till the end of July reached about 6,000 million quintals on a harvested area of nearly 507,000 hectares. That is over 70% of the fields to be harvested. The rainfall deficit has had a negative impact on the harvest.
We assume no responsibility for mixing the seed varieties. We blame the companies responsible for seed supply and the controllers who could not detect this mix since last March. These companies have marketed substandard seeds.
The Tunisian government has created a natural disasters fund. The Ministry of Agriculture announced that its departments will accelerate the granting of natural disaster certificates to farmers. The Regional Agriculture Commission in Beja estimates that the loss ratio in the southern delegations has reached 14% and concerned 10,000 hectares. Adnen Chaouachi, CGTN, Beja, northwest of Tunisia.